Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. Today's topic, definitions in dispensing pharmacy. If anyone start to studying dispensing pharmacy subject, these are the basic definitions need to know. Pharmacy. It is a simple and basic term every pharmacy student has to know. Pharmacy is the science of identification, selection, preservation, standardization, compounding and dispensing of medicinal substances or the drugs. Or in simple term, preparation and dispensing of drugs and medicines. Drug. Any substance required to prevent, cure, diagnosis, treat and produce prophylactic action for various types of diseases or disorders. It is obtained from either natural sources or synthetic sources. Dose. Quantity of drug it produces pharmacological or therapeutic action. Dosage form. Drug molecules are delivered to sites of action within the body. Need for dosage forms. Dosage forms are useful for protection, for example coated tablets, and protection from gastric juice and masking taste and odors in tablets. Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is a book which gives the directions for the preparation of drugs and medicines, or in another term, official publication containing a list of medicinal drugs with their effects and direction for their use. Pharmacopoeias are of four types: Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, and International Pharmacopoeia. Dispensing pharmacy. First, we need to know what is dispensing. Dispensing is able to supply or release a product. Dispensing pharmacy is preparation and delivery of prescription drugs to patients in physician practice. Prescription. Prescription is in written order form. A registered medical practitioner to pharmacist to compounding and dispense a specific medication for patient. Posology. It can define as calculation of dose to get pharmacological action. In simple term, it is a branch of medicine dealing with doses. In this, poso means dose and logy means science. Mixtures. A combination of different drugs or ingredients as a fluid with other fluids or solids, or of a solid with a liquid. Solutions. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, or in another term, mixing of solute and solvent. Syrups. Concentrated solution of sugar in water, often used as a vehicle for medicine. Drops. Any liquid medication administered using a dropper. Different types of drops are there. They are ear drops, eye drops, nostril drops, pediatric drops. Liniments. Liniments are liquid that rub into the skin in order to reduce pain or stiffness. Liniments may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Lotions. Lotions are a topical preparations intended for application to the skin without friction. Ointments. These are semi-solid greasy preparations for application to the skin and rectum and nasal mucosa. Base is usually anhydrous and contains the medicament in solution or suspension. Creams. Creams are semi-solid emulsions for external use. Two kinds of creams are there, aqueous and oily creams, because emulsions are in oil in water or water in oil. Jellies. Jellies are transparent or translucent non-greasy semi-solid dosage form. Usually they are less greasy compared to gel. It is mainly used for mucous membrane for lubricating and antiseptic purpose. Pastes. These are homogeneous semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. Pastes are different from ointments in that they contain a large amount of finely divided solids such as zinc oxide, starch, calcium, carbonate, etc. Suspensions. It is a biphasic liquid dosage form. Suspension is a coarse dispersion in which intended phase is dispersed uniformly throughout the external phase. Emulsions. Emulsions are heterogeneous, thermolabile, biphasic liquids containing two immiscible liquids which are made miscible by adding emulsifying agent. Powders. Powders are a solid unit dosage forms of medicament meant for internal and external use. Granules. Granules are multi-particle entities in which primary powder particles are made to adhere to form a large particles. Tablets. Tablets are a compressed unit solid dosage forms. It contains medicament with or without excipients. Different types of tablets are there, and we will discuss about a detailed view of different types of tablets in further videos. Capsules. Capsules are a solid dosage forms in which the drug is enclosed in a water soluble shell or an envelope. Capsule shell is made up of gelatin. Capsules are available in two different forms. One is hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsules. Elixirs. Elixir is a clear, sweet flavored liquid used for medical purposes. It to be taken orally and intended to cure illness. Linctus. It is a viscous monophasic liquid preparation and it contains a high concentration of syrup intended to sipped and swallowed slowly for treatment of cough. Gargles. It is a concentrated clear solution used in the posterior region of mouth to prevent throat infections. Paints. A solution or suspension of one or more medicaments applied to the skin with a brush or a large applicator. Generally, it is used to treat widespread eruptions. Mouthwash. It is an antiseptic liquid preparation for cleaning the mouth and the teeth or freshening the breath. Glycerins. It is a clear, colorless, syrupy liquid used as an osmotic diuretic to reduce intraocular pressure and laxative. And it is also used as soothing agent in cough preparations. And remaining definitions we will discuss in next video. I think it will be very helpful to pharmacy students, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are studying pharmacy.